Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Facia, and today we're gonna be doing braid. I'm gonna be showing you how to do a braid. I'm gonna show you the under method as well as the over method. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna grab our comb and we're gonna be parting out the box that we're gonna be using for our braid. I'm just going to part out this little section right here and tuck away the rest of the hair so it doesn't get in the way. I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you braid, if you use any of these methods, or if this is any of the method that you use while braiding, whether you braid underhand or overhand. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. So here I'm gonna be sectioning the hair in 3 pieces, 3 equal pieces, and we're gonna begin. So it's kind of like you're gonna be pulling from each side. Okay, so we got our 3 even pieces of hair and we're about to begin. So this first braid is called the over method, where the braid is on top. A great tip while doing these braids is you wanna hold the hair as close as possible so it's tight. But just for learning purposes, I kind of did mine a little farther than normal, but that's okay. So I'm gonna be letting you guys watch what I do, and especially for my visual learners, this tutorial is especially for you. So we're gonna be alternating each side, bringing them in the middle. Like so. If you guys wondering about the mannequin head that I use for this training, I will put a link in my description. You can order it. It's on Amazon. The hair is not too coarse, it's very soft and realistic, and it gets the job done, especially for a beginner. So what I was telling you about getting the hair, getting a close grip of the hair so it's more tight. As you can see, the end of these, it's not so tight, but it's just for tutorial purposes. And this is the overhand method. Now I'm going to be showing you the underhand method. And thank you guys so far. If you've come this far in the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. And please remember to subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to show you as it regards to braids. So here we'll be grabbing the hair from underneath on each side, bringing it to the middle also, but not on top like the one before. This one we're going under, as you can see as I demonstrate with my fingers. So this is the finished look of this braid, and this is how it's looking flat. I'm gonna be showing you one more, and I want to thank you again for watching the entire video. I appreciate you. So here I am showing you another one. This one is underhand as well. So I want you guys to let me know in the comment section which hand do you braid. Do you braid under, over, or somewhat in the middle? I don't know what that looks like, but yeah, comment and let me know.